The defensive interval ratio is a very, very simple ratio which looks at the level of the current assets relative to the daily operational expenses of the company. So it is the current assets divided by the daily operational expenses of the company. The higher this number is, the better, because current assets are either cash or will be converted into cash and will be available to meet the daily operational expenses. So it gives a sense of the number of days the company will be able to cover its expenses based on its current assets, which are relatively liquid. Let's do an example. So in the first year, the company has current assets of 900 and daily operational expenses of 40. If we're to calculate the defensive interval ratio, would say 900 divided by the 40 daily operational expenses gives us 22.5 days. It's expressed in days. It's effectively saying our current assets, if we fully liquidate them, can pay for 22.5 days worth of expenses. In the second year, we do exactly the same thing. We take the current assets, 1,000, divide them by the daily operational expenses, 50, and we get a defensive interval ratio of 20 days. So our current assets can cover our current daily expenses for 20 days. That is the defensive interval ratio.